Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today you can watch me wrestle taking this tank out and putting a new one in the Nova. So we'll get the camera turned around and we'll get this car up in the air and we'll get working on it. So we're going to change the fuel tank today, but I have to remove these hoses in here first, the fuel line and the vent lines for the vent in the tank. And then I've got to come back over here and remove the ground wire and then the wire off the sender. And I do believe there's one more tube, fuel vent tube, coming back into here. Focus. Okay, into here somewhere, right here. I got to remove this. So I'll get some of these removed and then we'll come back and we'll start dropping this tank. Okay, I've got the all the fuel lines and vent lines cut off. So we're going to drop the 2 bolts on the back of the tank, and I'm going to get the transmission jack up here. And to support this tank, there's no fuel in it now. Hopefully very little fuel in it. Then we got the sender wire to come off and the ground wire to come off. So I'll get these kind of undone and then we'll get the jack in position. I don't know what's going to break loose first here. Okay. So before I go any farther, I will get the jack set up under here. I might have to let the car down, I don't know. Okay. We'll just get this up here. Okay, we got it all blocked up and the transmission jack under it, and we'll strap, spacer, strap, spacer. Car was built in Willow Run, Michigan. That's where they were all built. I'm hoping to find a build sheet under here. I haven't found it anywhere in the car. Willow Run was terrible for keeping build sheets, so I doubt there's one here, but cross your fingers, maybe there's one. I doubt it, but we'll drop this down here a little bit. Wiggle it here. Okay. No build sheet. Oh well. I'm going to drop this down a little bit and then I'll unhook the wires here and then we'll bring you back at it. Okay, so now I've got the tank dropped to here. I'm going to undo the sender lead. There we go. That just pops off like so. And it's got a new ground cable. And I'm just going to cut this cable because it's got a brand new ground cable that's hooked to the sender anyway. And like I said, there's very little fuel in it. It's funny I didn't run out yesterday taking it for a test drive. There we go. Tank is out. Now we'll get these hoses all figured out. I got new straps for here. We'll see about putting in the new straps. And we'll get some of these tubes unhooked. And we'll come back to you. Okay, I got my ratcheting wrench this time. There. I think these bolts are good to use again. They're the factory ones. Oh yeah, and they're kind of like a self-tapper. So I'll have to use those again. Now I'll get my gloves on before I push that up. And I'll get this one over here. I'll flip this around. Now, you guys are wondering about this wire, that's twisted wire that's hanging here. Dakota Digital recommends for the fuel gauge is to have a direct wire from the ground instead of using the body ground all the way to the fuel gauge. So that's what this wire is for. And now that I've got the tank out, I can probably rehang this somehow, and I gotta get my cord wrench, and I'll just take this down here right away, and then we'll get this separated out of here, and we'll get this fuel line off of here, and then I gotta run to the parts store for clamps, and I do believe fuel line. So we'll leave it at that, and we'll be back a little bit later. Okay, so now I'm going to hang the new straps in here. Let's see if they don't fight me or not. They just slip in like so. There we go. We can put a bolt in there. And this one should slip in here like so. There we go. And I get bolts in there. I get your teeth up in here. I've got the new vent line hoses in here. Right up in here, and on this side over here I got the new fuel line and the new vent line's done. We've double clamped this here, and yeah, we're ready to I'll just bolt these in now, and then we'll bring you back and we'll push the tank up into here. Okay, interesting to note, this tank is made in Canada. It's not made anywhere else, so that's neat to know. So we'll lift it up into right about here. I'll just rest this here, and I'll hook up my fuel sender. There we go. Fuel sender is hooked up, and we'll just lift it up into place. So I'll just kind of hold that there. I've got to get one-handed. I gotta, hang on. I need to get the spacer here. Oh, I know what I'm gonna do here, hang on. Everybody can laugh. Spacer. And strap. Now if I can just get this. Oh. Now I gotta reach a nut. Nut assistant. There we go. Get a couple threads started. Good. Oh. Okay, spacer. And okay, I think it's got to come over a little bit. There we go. Oh, I just need a couple of threads. Okay, hang on, we're gonna have to come back in a second here. So now, after you've laughed at me, struggling to get the tank up into here, I've got all the hoses done, clamped, all the wires placed. So now I'm just gonna tighten this up. We'll snug it up on each side. We don't want to use an impact on this going back up or anything, so hand is always better. There, we're tight to the spacer. Same with this one. We're tight to the spacer. Tank is up tight. I'll just have a look in here. Yeah, straps are nice and tight, taut. Yeah, pulled down good. Okay, looks good. Everything's nice and tight. So now I will let the car down. I'll put some fuel in it and I'll get it started. You probably guys don't need to watch it being started. So well, next thing, we'll just get the car down. I'll put gas in it. Okay guys, thanks for watching this video of me struggling to put this new fuel tank back in the Nova. Again, we've got 500 subscribers now, so thanks to everybody that's subscribed and watches the channel. I hope you like this video, and remember to like, share, and hit that subscribe button. Everybody helps the channel grow. So on to the next one. See you guys later. Bye.